How to create label on WhatsApp Business. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch WhatsApp Business on your device. Make sure that you log into your account. Navigate to three dots at top right. Now tap on Settings. Choose Business Tools. Now scroll down. Under Messaging, select Labels to organize chats and customers. Here tap on the plus button at top right. Now you can easily add a new label. So let's say best customer. Now tap on save button. Now you can come back to your chat section and then long press on that particular chat or the user. Now tap on label icon at top left and then you can easily add to a label, or you can even create a new label and tap on save button. In this way, you can easily use label to categorize your customers or people's on business. So, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.